Jupiter has just announced Jupiter Lend, where you can earn interest on your crypto simply for depositing your tokens. At launch, there are 5 different pools you can choose from, including USDC, SOL, and USDT. So today I wanted to cover how to use this new Jupiter Lend feature and how you too can begin earning passive income. Let's take a look. So here's the official announcement by the Jupiter DEX, and you can access this new feature over on the Lend tab. So like I mentioned, at launch, there are 5 different pools you can choose from, and there are more pools coming down the pipeline. So the one earning the highest APY currently is USDC with 3.3% APY. Next, and you have USDT with a similar 3.8 APY, and Solana with 2.6% APY. So what is Jupiter Lend? Jupiter Lend is Jupiter's decentralized finance platform for lending and borrowing crypto. It allows you to use your assets in 2 different ways. You can deposit your crypto to lend it out to others and earn passive interest. Borrow. You can use the assets you've deposited as collateral to take out a loan. Jupiter Lend is designed to automatically find the best interest rates for you, whether you're earning or borrowing. So what are the risks? Smart contract risk, the potential for a bug or a vulnerability in the code that could be exploited. This is known as a smart contract risk or market risk. The value of your deposited or borrowed assets could change dramatically due to market volatility. This is especially important for borrowers, as a drop in your collateral's value could lead to liquidation. Please use this product carefully and never deposit more than you are willing to lose. So these are just some of the standard terms that all DeFi platforms have. So let's say you wanted to earn some interest on USDC. You would click inside here and you would enter the amount you want to deposit. I'll just do 1 for this example. Click deposit and confirm your wallet. Cool. And you'll see your new deposit amount here, or if you're ready to withdraw, you can also go to the withdraw tab and withdraw from there. And at the top, you do have a dashboard showing your total deposit and your projected annual yield. And once your earnings are ready, they will be shown here. So now let's try Solana. Currently, Solana is earning 2.6% APY. So let's go ahead and deposit some there. Hit deposit, confirm your wallet. Cool. Your new deposited amount will be shown here, and your aggregate amount of deposits here, and your projected annual yield. So that's it. A super simple and straightforward interface on how to use Jupiter Lend. So you're probably thinking some of these APY rates are not very high, and that's true. The reason you would want to go with Jupiter Lend is they are a trusted platform when it comes to DeFi and providing liquidity. So this is just another way to keep you engaged in the Jupiter ecosystem, which I'm a big fan of. So on the Solana ecosystem, there are other alternatives you can choose from, including Camino Finance, which has different vaults and even a stable section. And here you can always do single-sided deposits. MarginFi also has lending features, and USDC does have a higher APY at 4.3% APY, Solana at 4.5 APY, or even Drift on the Drift Earned section. USDC has a whopping 9.7% APY, or Solana at 2.5% APY. So yeah, there are definitely other alternatives out there for you to check out. And out of all of these, personally, I am still a fan of the Jupiter Lend platform, since they've been a proven and trusted DEX for many years. So what do you think about Jupiter Lend? Let me know in the comments section. And don't forget to check out my YouTube channel, where I have tons of other crypto tutorials. And as always, if you have any questions, please leave a question in the comment section. I'll be happy to respond. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.